my name is Audrey Graber, and this is my vocabulary lesson plan, and this is my class. Say hi.
Hi.
Set it up for me. Okay, class, as you know, today's our vocabulary lesson today, and I have a question for you. Have any of you ever helped your parents set a table? Do you know what that means to set a table?
Yeah.
Yeah? Everyone can understand? Well, if you don't, that's okay, because today we're going to learn about items that go on a table that can help us set it, because this is something we do almost every day. We eat, right? So I'm going to hand you out your vocabulary list, just so that you can have it in front of you and see it while we're learning about it, okay? So you can see the words. All right. So I'm going to go down the list of vocabulary, and I'm going to take out an object to show you what it means, what the word means, okay? So the first word we have here is table. Can we say that? Table. Yeah? And that's this, right? And like this. This is a table. The next one is tablecloth. And that's this cloth that goes on top of a table. Not everyone uses a tablecloth, but some people do because it's kind of fancy. Okay, next we have knife. So these are kind of play items, but this is a knife. Can we kind of imagine a knife? All right? Next we have a fork. We have a spoon. Can we say spoon? That's kind of a hard one. Spoon. Yeah? And here we go, some objects. Next we have a chair. So one of these, okay? That you're sitting on. We have plates. Two different size plates there. We have bowls. These two. We have cups. If you drink coffee or tea out of. We have glasses, and normally you put like water or juice in these. Okay. And then we have napkins, so, yeah. Okay. All right. So now, what I would like you to do is I'm going to read a sentence to you, and I want you to listen very carefully for the vocab words, okay? And I would like us to identify or find the word that I read, okay? So, I'm going to set the table so we can eat. I'm going to set the table so we can eat. Does anyone hear the vocab word there?
Table.
Yeah, good job. And can somebody put a label on a table for me up here? Someone be willing to come up? Becca? You want to label the table for me? Yeah, great job, thank you. All right. Use a knife to cut your meat. Use a knife to cut your meat.
Knife.
Yeah, good job. Sean, do you want to come up here and put see if you can find the right item, what a knife is? Do you remember? Almost, yep, good job. All right. Pour the soup in the bowl. Pour the soup in the bowl. Yeah, good job, Aiden. You want to come up here and label it for me? If I can find the word. Oh, where'd it go? Napkin, spoon, chair. Here we go. There you go. Sorry about that. All right. You remember which one bowl is? Yeah, good job. All right. Pour the water into the glass. Pour the water into the glass.
Glass.
Yeah? Bree, can you come find that for me? You label that one? Oh, wrong one, sorry. Should give you the right word. There you go. Remember, it's kind of a hard one. What we put water into, or juice. Yep, great job. Alright, this one's a little tricky because there's two words in here, listen for them, okay? Please put the fork next to the plate. Please put the fork next to the plate.
Fork.
Yeah, that's one of them for sure. Would you come label that for me? Good job. Right, and what did we say the other one was? Please put the fork next to the plate.
Plate.
Plate, yeah, exactly. Can you come up here and label for that for me? on your napkin. Wipe your hands on your napkin. Napkin, good job. You want to come up and down there? Not too many objects left. Yep, good job. All right. Please put the blue tablecloth on the table. You already said table, yep. We were labeled already. Is there another one? Please put the blue tablecloth on the table.
Tablecloth.
Yeah, good job. Can you come put that up for me, Becca? All right, only a few more here. I need a spoon to eat my soup. I need a spoon to eat my soup.
Soup.
Mm-hmm. Oh, soup, are you sure?
Spoon.
Spoon, yep, good job. You tricked me. Alright. Can I have a cup of tea, please? Can I have a cup of tea, please?
Cup.
Cup, yep, good job. There you go. Alright, now we only have one left, so I expect you all to know this one. Sit down on the chair. Sit down on the chair.
Chair.
Chair, yeah. Bree, you want to come up and lay a little chair for me? There you go. All right, good job. So, are we kind of familiar with what goes with what? Kind of. It's okay if we're not, because we're just learning, right? We can make mistakes. That's perfectly fine. Now what I'm going to do is we're going to learn to set a table. And I'm going to give you a command, and I'm going to ask you to come up and do it for me, okay? So, I'm going to take these off. Okay. And I'm going to give you a command, and you're going to come up here and set it for me. Okay, so, do I have a volunteer? Who wants to be the first person to go? Sean, thank you. All right. Sean, will you please put the tablecloth on the table? And what is that called?
Table.
And what goes on top of it?
Tablecloth.
Yep. Excellent. All right. Now, Bree, would you come up here and find a plate and put the plate on the table? And just so you know, this command that I'm asking you to do, I'll write it out for you so you'll know. Put the, and here's the item, this is our vocab words, on the table. Okay? Yeah, excellent. And what did you just put on the table? Can you say, I put the plate on the table?
I put the plate on the table.
Perfect, thank you very much. All right, Hayden, will you please put the bowl on the table? Can you find a bowl in there? Yeah, good job. All right, perfect, thank you. All right. Becca, could you come up and please put the glasses on the table? This is one of our trickier words, if you remember. Close, very close. What do you think, class? Is that right?
No.
No. Right, perfect, good job. And what are these called?
Glasses.
Glasses, good job. All right. Bree, I did you already, didn't I? Who did I do? I did everyone already, huh? All right, let's try again. Hayden, would you please come back up and put a fork on the table? Just one is fine. Yes. Perfect, thank you. All right, Sean, can you put, let's see, what have we done? Can you put the knives on the table? A knife or knives?
Knife.
Knife, yep.
Key.
Thank you. All right, perfect. Bree, can you come up and put the cups on the table, please? And what did you just put on the table?
Cup.
Perfect. All right. Let me say, oh, there's one more thing. All right. Can someone please put the napkins on the table? The napkins on the table. Becca? Perfect, thank you. All right, so we set the table, good job. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna repeat that, but instead of me giving you the commands, I'm gonna ask you to do it to each other, all right? So we're just gonna do it one more time, just to really reinforce what we know. Okay. Who wants to be the brave soul? It's okay if we make mistakes. Sean, you wanna be first again? All right.
Okay.
Sean, can you put the tablecloth on the table, please? Perfect. Now can you ask one of your classmates to put the something, anything, a fork, knife, spoon, on the table?
I do it?
Yep. Can you ask me one of your classmates?
Hayden, put the fork on the table.
Perfect, thank you. And find the fork there? Perfect, thank you. All right, can you ask one of your classmates to put something on the table?
Becca, put the bowl on the table.
Perfect, thank you.
Bree, put the plate on the table.
Sean, put the spoon on the table.
Thank you. And if you want to be really polite, you can say please. Please put the whatever on the table. That's a good way to say it as well.
Becca, please put the chair on the table.
Is that going to work, do you think? Can you put a chair on a table? I mean, you can. But do you think that's going to work here?
Becca, please put the cup on the table.
That's better, yeah. Sorry, that one's kind of a tricky one because it doesn't necessarily go on the table. It goes next to the table.
Cup. Bree, please put the napkin on the table.
Mhm. Got almost everything. Almost. A few left.
Hayden, please put the knife on the table.
Please, Sean, put the glass on the table.
Perfect. I think we have everything, don't we? Are we missing anything? I don't think so. Good job. Thank you very much. Give yourselves a hand. All right. You guys handled that really well. So now you kind of know some new vocabulary to use at home. I'm going to hand you out, or on your worksheets, I would like you to draw a diagram of a table. So this is going to be our independent work of the day. You can just draw a table. It doesn't have to be fancy. And I just want you to draw the items. Some just kind of looks like this. And just label them so that I know that you know what it kind of looks like. And then we'll hand that in and we'll discuss it later, okay? Good job. You did excellent today. Thank you. And here's my class again.